A key pillar of WII's investment philosophy is diversification. Investors have many options as they look to build diversified investment portfolios that reduce risk, generate long-term returns, and help them meet their financial goals. One option of growing interest is alternative investments. Investing in alternatives, also commonly referred to as private equity, is the act of investing in privately held companies. Historical data indicates private equity can generate long-term returns above that of public markets, which is attractive to many investors seeking higher yields and returns above a public benchmark. Private equity is an asset class with a long-term investment horizon, many times in excess of 10 years. This makes it a great fit for long-term focused institutional investors such as endowments and pension plans. These investors are typically patient and they can handle the liquidity challenges posed by private equity's traditional closed-end limited partnership fund model. But there are different investment structures utilized in the private market sector as well. For example, investors are increasingly recognizing evergreen funds as an attractive solution for maintaining a consistent exposure to the private equity sector. Evergreen funds have no termination date, and it allows for capital to be raised or repaid on an ongoing basis. These funds also allow investors to closely control their private equity allocation by offering the opportunity to redeem or invest new capital on an ongoing basis. Evergreen fund managers achieve this level of liquidity by investing some of the fund assets with shorter durations, such as private credit. This delivers more predictable cash flows, and it can be used to fund redemptions and reinvestments. WII includes an allocation to private equity and private real estate funds within our domestic and international equity funds, the U.S. Equity Fund and the International Equity Fund. We value the benefits of this diversification and the potential for returns above a public market benchmark that these allocations have the potential to offer. In April of this year, WII launched the Alternative Asset Fund I-Series, a new fund developed in partnership with an industry-leading private markets asset manager. This fund, AAFI, is structured like an evergreen fund, seeking to provide investors with some liquidity and the ongoing alternative exposure. This fund seeks to invest in best-in-class private equity and private credit opportunities, and it focuses on dislocation, innovation, and rapidly growing sectors. We recognize that our investors have a wide range of financial goals, some of which may be well served with more direct exposure to private markets, such as AAF. WII strives to live into our commitment of serving our investors' needs, always seeking to provide best-in-class investment and diversification opportunities and furthering your mission. To learn more about this fund, including requisite investment qualifications, please contact our Institutional Investment Services team.